Hello friends, myself Dr. Yash. So today I had seen a case who has been suffering from diabetes, heart complaints, hypertension, joint pains and swelling all over his body since 20 years. So so he is suffering from so many illness. So what was the main theme of the case? When I asked what is your stress levels, or what is the cause, or what is your nature, as I explained in earlier video that we try to individualize the case. Instead of symptomatic treatment, we try to find the remedy which suits as a whole. So the main characteristic as a person I found in him in his case, like he told कि I will tell you this line and try to convert this into a rubric. So he told कि मैं एक दवा ले रहा था फॉर माई बीपी, मैं अपने बीपी के लिए एक दवा ले रहा था, वो दवा ठीक नहीं हो उस दवा से ठीक नहीं हो रहा था। बट फिर मैं दूसरे डॉक्टर के पास गया और उसने जो दवा लिख के दिया, और वो दवा मैंने हनुमान जी का नाम लेके वो दवा लिया और वो दवा असर हो गया। तो दिस वॉज द मेन लाइन, वन ऑफ द लाइन। देन नेक्स्ट लाइन ही टोल्ड कि मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आता है और गुस्से में मैं बहुत वायलेंट हो जाता हूँ, यानी बहुत वायलेंट हो जाता है गुस्से में, आई स्टार्ट ब्रेकिंग थिंग्स। बट मैं ये गुस्सा नहीं करता, मुझसे कोई गुस्सा करवाता है, कोई मेरे अंदर आता है और वो गुस्सा करवाता है। सो दिस वॉज द सेकेंड लाइन ही टोल्ड। एंड ही वॉज अ फार्मर, सो he told कि we have so many snakes at in the village farm. मैं उनको पूजा करता हूँ और भगाने की कोशिश करता हूँ, अगर नहीं जाते तो आई यूज टू किल देम। सो this was the three thing. And fourth thing he told कि I am very simple and calm unless until someone doesn't harasses me. if someone tries to harass me, फिर मैं टेढ़ा होके उसको बरोबर दिखाता हूँ कैसा करने का होता है रिवेंज। So I know maximum of you would have understood the remedy. So the remedy was Laches is given. So Laches is patient. The main central rubric of Laches is delusion. He is under superhuman control, like some superpower, some supernatural power, or some superhuman is controlling him, or he is under the influence of that power. Second thing, he is very cruel, very revengeful, very angry, and very violent. And when combined with this pathology like of heart and blood pressure, so this makes a proper totality to prescribe Lachesis. So have prescribed him Lachesis 0/1. Why? So LM potency is I prefer more of LM potency when it comes to some chronic complaints which require frequent repetition. So let's see